Good morning, peeps. How are you guys? Happy Easter to everyone. I'm here at JDS Detailing in Wales for the Cars and Coffee. Apparently this is the 4th year in a row they are organizing this. And let me to tell you, I was driving here, there was even supercars passing me to come into this Cars and Coffee meeting and organized once a year by the JDS Detailing, and I'm here to check them out, what type of cars they are here. This is mind-blowing. The fact they organize it now for 4 years, it tells you how many people is here. I have seen awesome cars already, but I want to share with all of you all the cars they are here and what's happening here as well. It's stunning on the Civic Type R with the carbon bonnet. BMW 3 Series, look at the stance, he's on air ride and he's got these stunning BBS wheels. American pickup, this is so cool. My favorite car ever, the F40. My goodness, this supercar is so stunning. That's what I'm talking about, the Ford RS, the BMW i40. Isn't this Cadillac huge? These American cars, they are incredible. This car is so stunning. Nice detail with this leather or special leather. Such a big fan of the Audi RS6. This is a Vauxhall Vectra. This is so rare, this car. This Cars and Coffee here in Wales is just incredible. Well organized by JDS Detailing. I'm surprised why this guy just brought this Aston Martin on a trailer to a car, meat and coffee.
What?
Peugeot 205, maybe 1.4 with a sunroof. This car is so cute. But there's another one. This is a Opel or Vauxhall Vectra, maybe with a Irmscher body kit. This car is so stunning. And it's so close to a Porsche 996. They are so cheap. Volkswagen G60, this is so rare and I reckon they are coming up in value. These cars, they are really stunning. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful is this Mazda MX-5. BBS wheels is on a ride. How did he adapt this pannier, let's we call them? This is so cool. Ah, look at that. That is the way he did it. This is pretty cool. Love the color with this cream and with the light blue. Ford ST Fiesta. My goodness, this car is so beautiful. It's got a white body kit and it looks in this army green. Look at this Vauxhall Adam in the chameleon paint. The BMW X6, so stunning in this pearl white. Oh, the Aston Martin DBS, so beautiful this car. As we move here to a Seat Cupra perhaps, and on his side we got the Volkswagen R. My friends, I'm going to end my video here in Wales at JDS Detailing Cars and Coffee. This was outstanding, I have to say. This was one of the best and it's so good, and I'm so impressed that I will come back next year. After being here almost 3 hours, there's so many cars, there's still cars coming. This was mind-blowing. This would embarrass some small car shows, let me to tell you, and it was free. So if you want to come here, don't forget, next year JDS Detailing. You can follow them on Facebook as well, and you will know when is the dates, and the cars they are here is just incredible. Look at that, they're still coming. This is really incredible. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's time to go home. This was outstanding. I even found my favorite car ever, the Ferrari F40. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.